Colgate is going to be in a world of trouble. Let me tell you why. One, they collect information from all the help, drivers, security, vendors, delivery guys, and those people have no choice today. If they don't give that information, they don't get to go inside and deliver or do their work. Now, DPDPA will give every Indian citizen the same right as us, which basically means they should be able to deal with consent, withdrawal, ROPA, the whole 9 yards for even that kind of data. It is going to happen. It has to happen.
The world is a complicated place, and doing business in and of itself is complicated as well, right? There's lots of rules you need to abide by, but there's also lots of interest at play that might spark an individual or a company or organization to not take the rules too seriously because it costs money to do so, right? Like you might lose your ability to engage in marketing, for example, or to build pipeline, or whatever the case may be. So I think from the offset, it is important to start as an organization with sort of looking in the mirror and figuring out like.
In China, we have the requirements for consent for cross-border data transfer. So I think that mapping and leverage the global existing tools and the local law, try to figure out how to fix this problem and help business to do some more efficient compliance work. Not just follow the law and do something too much work, then they cannot really understand, and they think that's nothing really need to do that.
The pharmaceutical industry and healthcare industry is also not immune from cyber threats and cybersecurity threats, and is always being, due to the sensitive nature of the patient data, right? It's always a target because we have patient information, clinical data, scientific data, sometimes relating to chemical formulations, compounds, right? Development of drugs.
So now the next step is AI. And as you said, everybody wants to jump on the AI bandwagon. It reminds me of the dot-com bandwagon 25 years ago, when any startup that would say, hey, I have a website, instantly, the market cap would go up. And 25 years later, we're seeing exactly the same thing with AI. And what people don't realize is jumping on the AI bandwagon is one thing.
Most companies have AI. I know some actually develop it by themselves, so they can manage it by their own. But some, I think, still use external, for example, like ChatGPT integrated to their system. So I think basically the rule does not keep up yet, especially in Indonesia with the current AI development. But us, for example, when we navigating the use of AI in our company is multiple.